I mentioned a few broad, kind of vague examples of, what we've seen school districts do to come together and excel. But, can you think of any particular use cases of, any school districts across the country, or any particular situation where you feel like they found the secret sauce and leveraging this based on their specific situation, that you feel like is a great example for other districts to draw from?
Gosh, I'd love to be able to name drop, but I haven't actually gotten green light to name drop any of these. But I can tell you there's some situations that we've come across where SonicWall has what's called a 15700. It's our flagship high-end firewall. There has been several installations across the East Coast to where we've been able to use the performance and scalability of that particular appliance to really encompass an entire school district or school. And we've seen enormous success with schools using ESSER or ESSER 2 funds, using that type of technology to really upgrade and give their networks quite a performance boost and jump that they've been looking for. Now, I know that sounds like I'm pitching the SonicWall thing, but that's where I'm at. I'm pitching the SonicWall thing, but it's true. And that those are some of the areas we've seen. We've also seen this last E-rate season, we've seen some really great traction within our access points in our Wi-Fi solution. It's a nice, robust, solid, state-of-the-art solution that's there, and it works fantastic. So as far as calling out certain districts and schools, I wish I was better prepared for that question, but I'm not, and I don't know that I can actually throw somebody out there by name right now.
No, that's okay. And I think the 15700 is the perfect example, because we've seen that just make mountains of difference in a few different school districts over the past year in leveraging these funds, and just the ability to scale. But not just meet the needs, but put them in a position where they're covered for the needs, but growth for the next 3 to 5 years. Yeah. And that, I think any school district can attest that being built for growth is the only way, the only way they can succeed.